How to fix the connection timed out try again error on the Play Store. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Play Store, here is what should be done. First of all, check for the internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then after you can toggle on the airplane mode on and off in order to refresh the network. Then after connect to the stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Moving on to the second step, you'll have to clear the cache and data. For this, long press the Play Store application and go to App Info. Then after you have to tap on Storage and Cache. Then after tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now that you do so, you can restart your device and close all the background application. After that, if you reopen the Play Store, the issue should be resolved. However, if it does not, head over to your device settings to update the time and date settings. For this, you can go to device settings and then go to system. Additionally, also make sure to disable any active VPN or proxy settings as they can interfere with the Play Store connection. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.